Hello, today I am going to teach you three darts blouse in a simple method how to mark it. Let's start. Please subscribe and like our channel. Let's start how to mark. First we have to mark half an inch above just for the margin. Then just mark the back length. It's 14 and half inch. And then mark for the armhole for 7 inch. Draw the lines and waist divided into 4. Mark extra 1 inch for the margin. Fold the tape and mark it for the darts. Chest divided into 4. Three and half inch will be the dart length. Mark half inch each side. Totally it will be 1 inch dart. Waist is 34 inch and 36 inch will be the chest, and divided by 4 and mark it. Mark the straight line. One more line for the margin. Take the shoulder. For the deep neck it will be 5 to 5.5 inches. And mark it on the same length and put an extra 1 inch. Mark. Then draw the straight line. At 3 inches, mark the shoulder. Then measure the neck deep. Draw the straight line. The wide neck will be 3.5. Just draw the straight line and give a shape. This will be the neck, back neck. Now give the shape for the armhole. Then cut down the pattern. Our back pattern is ready. These measurements are only for the deep neck blouses. Then let's start front. Just keep the back. Mark half an inch for the margin. Keep the back and mark it. As we have cut the back pattern first, it is easy for us to cut front. Just mark the armhole and shoulder and mark all the points. This 3 inches is for the belt. The extra belt which is given below the chest. At the side it will be a 2 inches. This is a 36 size of blouse pattern. Mark the dart point. Then mark 3.5 inches away from the center. Draw a line. This is the dart point of the blouse. Mark the neck deep. Draw the line. Mark the width of the neck for 2.5 to 3 inches. Then draw the line and give the shape. Mark 3.5 inches from the point, dart point, and draw the line. Then draw the straight line from the dart to below the line. Mark the dart. This will be the 2 inches dart, each side 1 inch. It's a front neck blouse and 2 inches will be the front dart point, each side half an inch. Then center of the armhole just mark 3 inches and then mark half an inch each side. This will be the half inch mark. This is the chest measurement, 1 inch extra for the margin. Then draw the line. Just measure from armhole to belt point and draw the line. Mark it and draw the line. We had already marked that point where we have to fix our belt and then give a shape. Cut down the pattern leaving the margin half an inch. We have left a 1 inch extra because we have folded on the dart, so we are adding one more margin there and cutting down. Cut down the armhole. Cut the shoulder. Give the notch. This will help you in the stitching where we have to fold for the darts. Cut the neck. Now take the back, cut the neck for the back pattern. Remember, this is the front opening, so we have to cut front into two parts and one into back. Mark a half inch for the margin. Draw the straight line. Mark for the 8 inches and draw the straight line. This is the belt of the blouse, front belt below the chest. So it's 2 inches and 3 inches. You have to mark it down. .5 and 3 inches, and then just give a curved shape. This belt will be cut into 4 when you cut it in a fabric. Now our belt is ready. Now let's make the sleeves. Fold it into 2. Mark half inch for the margin. As the sleeve length is 5, we are marking half inch extra, and this is the sleeve round divided by 2. It's 13 inches, so 6.5 we have taken. Mark it 3 inches below. Mark a straight line. Take an armhole measurement divided by 2 and give a shape. Join both the points by drawing line. You don't need to leave the margin while cutting sleeves. Give a notch at the front, half inch below. Take a more shape out so that it will fit properly. So this will be the front part of the sleeve. Give a notch at the center of the sleeve so that it's easy for us while stitching. Now our sleeves are ready. Front, back, sleeves and belt. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and press the